And so while the torrential rainfall wreaked havoc in Mumbai city, it did not even spare the posh Malabar Hills. For the second time this year, massive landslide in the upmarket Malabar Hills area amid heavy rainfall. Take a look at those visuals on your screen. The landslides occurred in the Kharighat colony near Babul Nath, causing huge damage to residential houses. The landslide is an extension of the previous landslide that, remember, occurred in August. But this time, running soil broke a window, entered into bedrooms. However, fortunately, there has been no loss of life, but the residents clearly, as you can see, appear in panic and they fear for their safety.
Another incident of landslide has been reported in Malabar Hill. Continuous rainfalls in Mumbai has brought trouble for Malabar Hill residents once more. We are inside bedroom of one of the houses which is near Malabar Hill, where the mud from this entire landslide had entered on this bed. The entire room now has been cleaned by people who were residing in this house, but you can see this wall here. This is last night. You'll see the entire mud which entered. The soil has entered from this window. You will see this window is broken, from where you can understand that there was a landslide and which entered inside this bedroom. Thankfully, the bedroom was not occupied, but this is the second incident of landslide, second time when it has rained heavily in Mumbai, which has raised a concern for safety of residents of Malabar Hill. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Absolutely shocking visuals there. Just take a look at that. The bed completely flooded with this running soil that's come from a landslide. Remember, it's not just water, it also brings debris with it, and it can really prove to be a scary situation for the residents who are staying even in posh Malabar Hills. This is not the first time, and completely entering into the bedrooms, into the houses also this time. At least last time it hadn't entered into the houses at least so closely, but now it appears beds, cupboards, almirahs, all of that covered with the mud and the debris of the landslide. So definitely a panic situation for a lot of residents, and perhaps some more action will be expected, at least how to protect this, because this is torrential rainfall, and while rainfall is expected in Mumbai city every year, there are inconveniences that the residents also expect. But for debris to be falling into the houses, even in areas like Malabar Hills, clearly it is going to create a panic situation for the residents as well. We'll try and get you more reactions of people who live in these areas, but we take a look at what Mustafa has just shown us about the house, and while it has been cleaned for now, the horror that some of those residents would have faced.
Another incident of landslide has been reported in Malabar Hill. Continuous rainfalls in Mumbai has brought trouble for Malabar Hill residents once more. We are inside bedroom of one of the houses which is near Malabar Hill, where the mud from this entire landslide had entered on this bed. The entire room now has been cleaned by people who were residing in this house, but you can see this wall here. This is last night. You will see the entire mud which entered. The soil has entered from this window. You will see this window is broken, from where you can understand that there was a landslide and which entered inside this bedroom. Thankfully, the bedroom was not occupied, but this is the second incident of landslide, second time when it has rained heavily in Mumbai, which has raised a concern for safety of residents of Malabar Hill. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
And I'm now joined on this broadcast by a resident whose house also faced this horror. I'm joined from the Kharighat Parsi colony. This is Kurush Kuraiji who's joining me. Sir, thank you so much for giving us your view, because the visuals that I see on the screen, extremely horrific. Can only imagine what you must have faced. What exactly happened? What time was this? And this was a wall adjoining the hillside there in the colony?
Yes. Hi, thank you for having me. Actually, I'm not in town, but I got a call early this morning from my family, from my mother and my sister. And this is the second landslide that we've had, as you're aware of. The first one was on the main road, and this one was, this sort of slammed right into my window and into my room. this happened. I was told at about 5:30 this morning, and all of the mud, the soil got loose, and all of it just kind of broke open my window. It was on my bed. It kind of soiled a lot of the wall, and it hit my cupboard. We're not very sure how much damage has happened inside the cupboard, but this is what has happened. So it was a little shocking for me to even hear this.
So at about 5:30 a.m. would mean that the residents likely would have been asleep. Is this the first time? Were you expecting any of this to happen and prepared, or has this caught the residents completely by surprise?
We actually didn't, to be very honest, we didn't expect the landslide to hit us on this side. It had happened on the other side of the road, as you know, on the main road. And, these roads were blocked for a very long time. There was a lot of support on our side, and we thought the soil was different. It was pretty surprised that it actually came and hit us. It broke the wall and it came through. Yeah, it was surprising. I mean, when something like this happens, it does take you by shock. It doesn't happen every day.
So Kurush, what precisely do you think now the residents will have to do? Because this is not just water, this is debris, this is mud that is walking and that is running into the bedrooms as well. How do you think the administration needs to tackle this? Because fortunately, and I'm glad for your family, there was no loss of life, and I'm glad everybody's safe, but this is a scary situation for many.
It is an aberration, I would say. I mean, this is the first time we've been living here for 20 odd years, and this is the first time something like this has happened. Yes, we do need to be cautious when the next monsoon comes. We will now take precautions in terms of sort of building a wall and ensuring that we take all the necessary precautions. We've been getting overwhelming support from the community and even the police and the BMC, etc. I've been told have come and visited us. So has the media. Okay. So I guess, yes, we all need, I mean, these are difficult times, especially this year, given the pandemic. Yes. And, this on top of that.
And I just want you to explain, if again for the benefit of our viewers, about the amount of mud that actually came into the house. In the bedroom, I see the bed is completely covered, the cupboard is completely covered with the mud and the debris. So how much of that landslide really managed to seep into the houses?
Actually, thankfully, I wasn't there.
Yes.
I'm out of town, and if I was there, it would be devastating because at 5:30 in the morning, I'm not sure how soundly asleep I would be. And it's covered the bed. There's been no damage. The windows have been broken. So what I see of the pictures are a little disturbing. The window has broken. So obviously, it was a huge, huge force. There must have been a wind force as well. The bed is completely covered, and a lot of it has been splattered on the cupboards, which are slightly high up on the cupboard. And obviously all over the floor. So there's going to be on the cupboard, and obviously all over the floor. So there's going to be a lot of cleanup work to do. And I think we've already gotten to from what I know of what my family's told me, we've gotten down to the cleanup and all of that.
Kurush Khodaiji, I'm really glad that all of you are safe, and thank you so much for speaking to us to really help us understand that when a landslide takes place, even in a place like posh Malabar Hill, the kind of damage that can happen. And I hope that your family will stay safe, but the administration will have to look into this as well. Kurush Khodaiji, resident of Malabar Hill, thank you so much for talking to us here.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.